Terror attack in Sopore a while back. I'm joined by IGP Kashmir Vijay Kumar. Sir, what is your exact, what you have been reviewing the situation and the security in Sopore now. So what's your take?
आज मॉर्निंग में पुलिस नाका लगा के कोविड रिलेटेड इन्फोर्समेंट कर रहा था। तो कोविड से रिलेटेड जितने बिहेवियर पैटर्न है उसको चेक करने से मास्किंग कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है। तो 2 मिलिटेंट आया बाइक से और पीछे से अंधाधुंध फायरिंग किया, जिसमें हमारे पुलिस के 2 जवान शहीद हो गए, 2 सिविलियन जो थे वहाँ पर वो 2 शहीद हो गए और टोटल 4 जख्मी हुए, जिसमें 3 पुलिस वाले हैं, 1 सिविलियन है। तो 4 शहीद हो गए और 4 इंजर्ड हुए हैं। ये लश्कर तोबा का इसमें हाथ है। जो वहाँ मूवमेंट पैटर्न है, लोगों से बात करने से लगा, उसमें फयाज वार और जो मुसद्दस पंडित है, दोनों की इन्वॉल्वमेंट है। हो सकता है कि इसके साथ एक एफटी भी हो।
सर अभी पिछली बार भी आपने एक सिक्योरिटी रिव्यू किया सोपोर में डीजी साहब के साथ आगे, उसके बाद भी अटैक हुआ।
बिल्कुल अटैक हुआ है। उसके पहले जैसे आप देखे हों कि एक अच्छा ऑपरेशन लॉन्च किए थे, उसमें मुसद्दस पंडित भागने में कामयाबी उसको मिली, लेकिन बहुत जल्दी इसको हम लोग न्यूट्रलाइज कर ले। अभी हम लोग खबर मिला है सोपोर में, तो वहाँ कॉर्डन लग गया है। अभी देखते हैं हम लोग।
देखा जा रहा है कि सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस का ओवरऑल खासकर जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस का काफ़ी अपर हैंड है। साउथ कश्मीर की बात करेंगे तो नॉर्थ कश्मीर में क्यों ऐसा चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन आ रहा है पुलिस के लिए?
नॉर्थ कश्मीर में सिर्फ सोपोर एक ऐसा बेल्ट है जो ट्रांजिट रूट है, जो इन्फिल्ट्रेशन करके यहाँ आता है मिलिटेंट। यहाँ पर उनका स्लीपर सेल काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड है, लेकिन इसको भी ये 2-3 जो मिलिटेंट पुराना है इसको हम लोग जल्दी से न्यूट्रलाइज कर लेंगे, यहाँ भी काबू पा लेंगे सिचुएशन।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच. So that was IGP Kashmir who said that it is the Lashkar-Toiba behind the attack, and not only the 2 local terrorists are involved, but also the presence of FT was felt during this attack. The police is investigating the entire matter, and also the cordon and search operations have been launched in Sopore and the outskirts of Sopore. With Vijay Mubashir Hussain, this is Zina Zishan Fazil for Republic Media Network in Sopore.
Straight away going across to Zeenat, who is joining us live from the terror attack area as well. But Zeenat, as we were hearing from the IG himself talking about this current terror attack that has taken place in the Sopore belt, what were initiatives now that have been taken up by the police forces there? Because we're getting to know that 2 of the police jawans have been martyred in this attack.
See, Amit, absolutely. We are the first channel to break the tic-tac with the IGP Kashmir, who was in Sopore after attack, and to review the situation on ground. He has also named 2 local terrorists, one Fayaz and another Mudassir Pandit. Mudassir Pandit is the same one who was involved in the previous attack that took place against BJP councillors in Sopore itself, and also presence of 1 foreign terrorist, the Pakistani terrorist, has also been felt, and all the 3 have been rather identified by Jammu Kashmir police. In fact, the terrorists came on bike, that is what the IGP Kashmir said, and fired upon JKP indiscriminately. In fact, they hurled grenade, and which also hit the fuel tank of the vehicle, with the result that we had the grave injuries as well as the casualties. Right now, the confirmation coming from JKP is that the 2 of his boys have lost their lives, and also 2 civilians lost their life. But the way the injury toll is there, and the grave injuries are there, we are picking from the hospital sources that let us see that if the doctors are able to help them to save the lives of the injured ones, because the injuries are quite grave. If we talk about the Sopore, definitely a bastion of Lashkar as well as Jaish, and there had been the review meetings of the Jammu Kashmir police in past as well, but it seems that the terrorists taking the advantage of the COVID, awareness and also the COVID curfew, they managed to come so close to the Jammu Kashmir police and carried their attack. Although the review was done by the top cops of Jammu Kashmir police, and also the investigations are on. Manhunt has been launched by the Jammu Kashmir police along with the Indian Army and CRPF to nab the attackers, because the attackers who carried today's Sopore attack have been identified as confirmed by IGP Kashmir today. We have been seeing the upper hand of security forces, particularly of Jammu Kashmir police in South Kashmir, where number of anti-terror operations were launched and number of terrorists were neutralized. So in a way, if you talk about the Lashkar-Toiba, yes, Lashkar has received a body blow as far as in South in Kashmir anti-terror operations have been concerned, and recently Ghani Khwaja, one of the known terrorists of North Kashmir, too was neutralized by SOG Sopore. So this seems that this is more like a frustration among the terror groups, and to show their presence on ground, because the cops were involved in creating awareness about the COVID-19, and in the meantime these bikers came close to that JKP vehicle and fired indiscriminately, resulting into the injuries and later casualties of Jammu Kashmir police along with civilians.
That's a detailed report that Zeenat is sending across from the area that she was short while back reporting what was the attack site, and also speaking to the IGP Kashmir. That has now been said that there has been search operations that have already been launched in the entire area. For now, that has been cordoned off. 2 of the police jawans have been martyred and 2 civilians too that have been killed in this terror attack. Zeenat, thank you.